Hi, this is Phangan, one of the national parks, and just walking in, just past the entrance, and just hit by this amazing view. The camera doesn't do it justice. It's gorgeous. It's lovely reflection in the water. It's like a sort of a mini rainbow effect. The sun glistening through the trees, and it's just the beginning of a little hike I got. It's a national park, so it's got lots of unusual. Oh no. I thought it was going to show different species of animals, but no, it's cigarette butts and rope and leaves. And on till it's gone. Interesting. Here's the name of this tree, I guess. Wow. Okay, here we go. This is the Shora gratissima. And okay, well, I'm 6 foot, so this is going higher, 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 higher. To be honest, I can't see the tip of it. Wow! Just look at that. Let's see if I can get a better... Wow! I can't believe how tall that tree is. I still can't see the top. Still can't see the top of the tree. There's some are up there. Wow. Okay. For people who get a kick out of tall trees, that is one of the tallest I've ever seen. Okay, I'll stop here because I'll probably film a little bit more as I go along. Alright, hang on a sec. Let's just walk a little bit more. Phangan is just full of these little incredible nature trails, hiking trails. Just everywhere you go. Just get off the beaten path and explore. Oh, that's a bit scary. That's a little scary. What do you say about snakes still? It doesn't bother me. And there's the steps. And I'll end this for now and carry on a little bit later maybe.